What are you saying, huh? You cute thing. You cute thing. Lucy Duke. Just walking around kind of aimlessly. Hi, Duke. Oh, goodness. You checking out your brother? The dog? Bugs. You eating the bug? Do its black and white wings taste especially good? You see your brother on the floor over there? What? Hey, guess what? Annabelle. Annabelle. Guess you don't know your name yet, huh? Hey, woohoo! Annabelle Speed, Annabelle Speed. She's all you need. Annabelle Speed. Annabelle Speed, Annabelle Speed. She's all you need. Annabelle Speed. That's your anthem. Did you know that? That's your song. Annabelle Speed, Annabelle Speed. She's all you need. You were singing along? Yeah. Oh, it's so big, this rainforest that you're in.